Hello everyone, myself Pavitra Akki, studying in KLE Society's College of Education, Vidyanagar, Hubballi. Today I am going to speak something about Gandhiji Jayanti. So, this Saturday, October 2nd, 2021, will be the 152nd birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So, on this Saturday, October 2nd, 2021, the nation will pay homage to the Mahatma Gandhi on what will be the 152nd birth anniversary of the our father of nation. So, Gandhi Jayanti, as the occasion of known coincidences, this year with the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which was organized on March 12th by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 91st anniversary of a significant event in Gandhiji's life in the Dandi March. So, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who shares his birthday with another legendary personality, former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. So, Gandhiji was born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porabandar. In present days, it is called as Gujarat. Gandhiji was born on October 2nd, 1869, and his parents are Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai Gandhi. The Gandhiji married to Kasturba Gandhi, and he serves as a lawyer whose life changed through his experiences in South Africa. Gandhi played most significant role in India's independence movement, holding demonstrations through non-violent means and ways to fight for independence. Gandhiji completed his early studies in British ruled India and then went to pursue law in India. And then went to pursue law in England after practicing law in South Africa. He returned to India in 1915 and became a part of Indian freedom struggle. He led important movements like Champaran Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation Movement, Dandi March and Quit India Movement. And Gandhiji died in 30th January 1948 at the age of 78 in New Delhi, India. He was dead by gunshot wound by Nathuram Godse. Gandhi Jayanti is marked by prayer services and tributes all over India. Gandhiji's favorite bhajana Raghupati Raghav Raja Ram Patita Pavan Sitaram is usually sung in his memory. So, ahimsa is the highest duty, even if we cannot practice it fully. We should try to understand its spirit and stay away from violence, told by Mahatma Gandhi. As I have told before only, Gandhi shares his birthday with another legendary Lal Bahadur Shastri. Coming to Lal Bahadur Shastri was an Indian statesman who served as the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution, which means an national campaign to increase the production and supply of milk by supporting the Amul Milk Corporation of Anand, formed in Gujarat, and creating the National Dairy Development. He was born on October 1904 in Mughalsari, and he was also called as an man of peace. He married to Lalita Shastri and he was dead in the year of 1966, 11th January 1966. So, October 2nd is celebrated as the Gandhi Jayanti as well as the Shastri Jayanti. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 and died in the year of 11 January 1966, and he told that the loyalty to the country comes ahead of all other loyalties. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, told by Lal Bahadur Shastri. And Gandhiji was born on 2nd October 1869 and died in the year of 30th January 1948. He told that be the change that you want to see in the world. So, thank you everyone for giving me the opportunity to speak something about Gandhi Jayanti and Shastri Jayanti. Thank you everyone.